How to delete order history in Swiggy. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll exactly show you on how you can do this quickly and easily, hassle-free. Now, the first step that you can go ahead and do is through the customer care. So you want to open your phone, go through the Swiggy app, and from there, you want to go ahead and head over to the help section. Start your chat there with the Swiggy customer care team and you will receive a call from them to resolve your problem. Now, just go ahead and explain your query on how to delete order history and Swiggy and they will go ahead and resolve your problem shortly. Now for the second step, you can go ahead and try it through your email. Now the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and head over to your email and click on compose. You want to go ahead and write an email to the Swiggy team regarding on how to delete order history from Swiggy. In the subject line, type request to tell them how to delete history quickly. Write a whole message and keep in mind sharing your account information. Drop your email at support@swiggy.in and they will go ahead and connect you to go ahead and resolve your problem. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.